Hello from Cherries! We want to make this car speedy move with path blur effect. We have 3 layers, a car and 2 backgrounds. So the first lesson is to duplicate the background using Ctrl+J in Windows or Command+J if you are using Mac. Now open Filter menu, select Blur Gallery and select Path Blur. An arrow appears on the image. This is to help you create the motion you want. Drag it close to the part you want to show the speed and set the speed value higher. Now click OK. Perfect, we made it. I love to fake speed with path blur. Hope you like this technique in 1 minute too.